Hey, good weekend, everybody. How are you all doing? You got Lal here from my weekend shave. Hope you're doing well. Hope you have a great weekend. Hope you're having great shaves. So for today's shave, I'm busting out an older school soap for me. Declaration Grooming Bandwagon. Scott's take on barbershop. Memories from him going to the barbershop with his grandfather. So this is in the old Bison base. I think just after it changed from L&L Grooming to Declaration Grooming. Won't talk about the price. That's cents on titanium. I'm not going to worry about it. Great scent. So, I'll get this going for you. A little water on the face today. I have this all done up here in the Thirsty Badger lather bowl. I'm going to use my, you guys can see that, Paragon Shaving, 2-band finest. This is from Paragon Shaving, obviously, in British Columbia. This was actually I'd say my first artisanal badger brush that really helped start to get my love for badgers going. I was talking to my buddy Dana today, and he was talking about how he'd like to love his badgers, but he's having a real issue with that. And he doesn't want to drop a lot of money on a badger, just not enjoy it. I think he's got best badgers right now. He's having flow through issues and just finds that they're hogging the lather. As you can see, no issue. That comes right through there. So it got me thinking of options for them. I mean, there's some great options here in Canada for artisanal brushes. Bullseye, FB, which I have lots of, you guys know that. Spiffo, Paragon, Coyote Cuts, to name a few. But I kind of recommended this to him if he doesn't mind a touch, just a touch of scratch. I think it's a great value. There's 3 different handle options. It's all wood handles. Whoops. And just excellent performance. And good value. They're about 100, 110 bucks, I think they are now. And they just, once broken in, this makes an excellent lather. Feels good on the face. It's really soft, just a hair, a little bit of scratching. Not bad at all. And I really do love this brush. You know, it might not be as fancy as a Declaration Grooming, Monzingo, anything like that. But it makes a beautiful lather at a very reasonable price for a nice badger. And it feels good. To me. I think we've got more than enough hydration here. I may have overhydrated this a bit again. It's kind of my, what I do, you guys know that. But I definitely prefer a lot of moisture in my lather to it being dry, or on the drier side. And however you like it, that's okay. It's whatever works for you, right? There we go. There we go. All right, so for the razor today, guys, I'm going to use my Schick Injector. This is a J2. It's from the J series. J series is from 1958 to 1964. I don't even know how many shaves are on this blade, so if it's a little rough, I'll change it out. So with the grain. It's not bad. It's probably getting close to the end. I love the feel of injectors. Very smooth, typically very sharp for me. I'll probably have a little blood right here, guys. I did nick myself in alive yesterday. Oh, we opened that one. That's okay. Caught the edge there. I had a slice from taking my straight across here where I didn't stretch properly. It's been healing up really, really well, but I just caught the edge of it there. So this old Declaration grooming base. I love it. I really do. I think the Bison base still holds up with most soaps on the market. It's great. I can't compare it to milk steak for you guys. I don't have any milk steak. I have an allergy to one of the ingredients in the soap, and I talked to Scott about it, and he highly recommended that I just didn't use it. So I took the artisan's advice, even though it killed me, and I bypassed that base. So that was a smooth first pass, guys. Very nice, very easy. Schicks are just really wonderful blades. I think they're highly underrated. Wow. The Schick company goes way back. Early 1900s, I believe. Kind of same time frame as Gillette, if I remember correctly. I think so. Obviously, this is one of their kind of mid-range of their life cycle, like the second, third quarter. How's that sound? Of their existence with these type of blades. Obviously, the company's still around, making carts and that. But what they started off with, this isn't the very first model, but they started off with repeating razors. And so with these, you have a magazine that pull the handle out, you load a magazine in of blades, close it up, and as you push it, pushes a new blade in, pushes the old blade out, you open it up and you shave. This would be a B2, I do believe. Just really cool razors. I have that in the C. The A series is before it. That's kind of the first one. It's a round handle. Same kind of deal. The blades are stored in it. They're very, very cool. A lot of military influence, I guess, in the design of the Schicks originally back in the day. I mean, obviously, Colonel Schick came from, I think it was Colonel, I think so, can't remember, came from the military, and he based these off of, you know, magazines of guns for loading. And very good residual. So they're kind of neat how they work in that old theme, right? So you saw the old one, how it works. With these new ones, you get the key. And I can see that slot right there. Same idea, the key goes in there. As you push it in, it holds it in place. And then you use this and you slide the new blade out, which pushes it into the razor, pushes the old blade out. Basically hands-free, except for, of course, discarding the old blade. Oop, for the bump. So, I just think Schicks are really, really cool blade. Razors, lots of options. Even though some of the models look this very similar throughout the years with just minor changes. I think they're awesome. I'll put a link below to a website with just great information on them if you're interested. In the J series, like this one, there's 4 models. J1, which is like this, I believe, with a white round handle. This J2, J3, which is the Golden 500. Kind of a special anniversary, or kind of special edition on anniversary. You'll see it used a lot by DK Dan Pine Shaves. It's his favorite razor. It's also got the lever on it, which opens up the blade mechanism. It's not meant for loading or unloading, but it's meant for cleaning. It comes from the Hydro Magic. Very cool. And then, of course, you have the Schick 500, which is the J4. And I think you can, if memory serves me correct, the Golden 500 and the Schick 500 are basically identical except for the color and the fancier packaging with the 500, the Golden 500. Could be wrong. Again, my memory. It'll be listed in the link below. Very, very nice. Just an excellent lather. I quite enjoy this stuff. I'm trying to fix the lightning still on this, guys. I've been doing some research. It's definitely a firmware issue on the phone. Since I did some updates quite a while ago. It's kind of what I thought. And I don't think I'll be able to fix it. But we're trying. I got another light here right beside me. And later on, I'll see if that has improved or worsened the result. I only had about 20 hours, 19-20 hours of growth, guys. I shaved late yesterday in the afternoon. I did a live in Canadian Wet Shavers. Haven't done one for a long time. And it was an homage to Randy from First Canadian Shave. It was his birthday yesterday. So, wow. I just love these things. Still try to do a little skin stretch in there. Habit maybe from my using straight razors, but it can't hurt, right? So. So is spring come where you guys are? No, we had some really crazy warm weather here the other day. Plus 20. Sunny, no wind. It was perfect. Like, absolute perfect day. Now we're plus 2. Still sunny though. I think we're getting back more to seasonal temps for the rest of the week, but it's still nice to be outside. Have that ability without freezing. So yeah, it's probably opening a bit. That's where I slipped. Right on. Let's just check this out. This is such a nice scent. It's a milder scent, probably a medium, lighter side of medium. Never really talked about it too much, but I guess I'll put up the description of it for you guys, or the scent wise. You know, but he describes it as a classic powdery musk and sandalwood base, bolstered by lavender, camphor, coumarin, tarragon, and a touch of anise with a bergamot top. You know I'm not the best with scents. I know what I like, and I like this. I do enjoy it. So this feels pretty good, guys. I'm going to leave this as a damp unshave today. I'm not going to chase BBS. It's very, very close. And I'm going to do my cleanup. And I'll see you guys for the post shave. All right, I'm back. Did a warm water rinse, a little bit of alum on there, and that one that I caught. Cool water rinse, cleaned off my gear, pat dry, and we're back. Very nice shave, guys. This is already, the little bit that felt a bit rough, it's already hydrating down here. BBS, beautiful shave. Can't ask for more. For the post, we're going to use the Match and Splash. I think these are highly underrated splashes. Would I say they're the absolute best splash in the game? No. Are they good? Yes. Do I enjoy them? Yes. This one does have a little bit of menthol in it. Scott ships that as an option now. Instead of having both options to buy, you just buy one. And you get the menthol. You can add or not, or just leave it out. There are alcohol and witch hazel in it. Really no sting. It's just wonderful. Feel a little bit of cooling there from the menthol, but nothing crazy. So, that's it, guys. Beautiful shave. Quite enjoyed it. So let's do the recap for you. Declaration Grooming Bandwagon in the Byzantine base. Again, base is 2 generations old. Scent's not available. If you get a chance to pick one up in the BSTs or something, I highly recommend it. I do quite enjoy that. Don't use it as often as I should because I know it's not available anymore. I whipped that up with a Paragon Shaving, oops, upside down, a 2-band Finest. Wonderful brush. There's a Badger lather bowl. As always, I use the water for making the lather and using the brush and soaking the brush in my Stormtrooper mug. And today you saw me talk about Schick razors. My use today was the Schick Injector J3. The J series, like I said, 1958 to 1964. Wonderful razors. I get long longevity on these. You know, I can't even tell you how many shaves are on this. They're probably 20 plus. They just feel really, really nice, really smooth. Just a different shave angle you have to learn to use. So, past that, guys. Thank you for spending your time watching my videos. Please comment below. I do enjoy talking to you guys. Thank you for being subscribers. Have great upcoming shaves. Have a great upcoming week. Happy shaving to all of you. We'll see you next weekend.